Hello everyone, welcome to this very quick video. This one is all about how you can search and filter your users so that you can find them very quickly if you are an administrator. So I'm logged in here as an administrator. I'm going to go to the CP button up at the top, click on there, click on users, and it will display all of your users and you'll see all of those pages there. And if you have lots of users, you might find that you have a number of pages down at the bottom. So if you need to find out some more information about one single user, it might be quite handy for you to search for them. So you can use the search field up at the top here. Just click in there and type in somebody's last name and you'll see some options pulling down here. So you can just select one of those. And then you can just click on their name and see some of the details as they pop up there. Now you can also filter, so you can filter all of your users by user type. So if I go to the filter button up at the top there, you'll see that I can filter my users by the type of platform that they have. So I'm going to filter this for teachers. And my users will then filter down to just the teachers. So that's how you can search for users and filter your users by user type. I hope that's been useful to you, and I'll speak to you again soon.